Making sense of contractions. Master the apostrophe. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a small but mighty punctuation mark, the apostrophe. In particular, we'll focus on its usage in contractions. So, sit tight and get ready to add another skill to your English mastery. First off, what exactly are contractions? Contractions are words that we shorten by omitting certain letters and replacing them with an apostrophe. Examples include don't, for, do not, I'm, for, I am, and can't, for, cannot. Contractions make our speech and writing more natural and fluent, just like native speakers. Now, let's get into the rules. When forming contractions. 1. Identify the letters you are omitting. These are usually the ones in between, like the O in do not, becoming don't. 2. Replace the omitted letters with an apostrophe. As seen in the example above, the O in not is replaced with an apostrophe, resulting in don't. Remember, the apostrophe always takes the place of the missing letters. We use contractions all the time in English, so it's essential to get them right. Here are some common ones. It's, for, it is, or it has. You're, for, you are. He's, for, he is, or he has. We'll, for, we will, or we shall. They're, for, they are. Despite their simplicity, contractions can sometimes be troublesome. Common mistakes often occur with words that sound similar but have different meanings. For instance, your versus your, its versus its, their versus their versus their. Remember, your, its, and their are contractions that mean you are, it is, or it has, and they are, respectively. The words your, its, and their are possessive adjectives, while their is an adverb. Well, that wraps up our lesson for today, folks. We hope you're now more confident in using apostrophes and contractions. Keep practicing, and remember, the key to mastering English, or any language, is consistency and patience. Stay tuned for more English grammar fundamentals in our upcoming videos. Happy learning!